Welcome to Bright Beats and Rhymes.
We're the construction crew, come along with me. Building up the city, making it so neat. We've got lots of helpers, all in yellow hats. Big and small machines, let's learn about that. Digging, lifting, hauling too. Working together, that's what we do. Bulldozers, cranes and motors fight. Building a world from morning to night. Here comes the excavator, digging up the ground with his giant bucket, scooping dirt around. Then the big bulldozer pushing on the soil, making roads and pathways. Digging, lifting, hauling too. Working together, that's what we do. Bulldozers, cranes and motors fight. Building a world from morning to night. Dump trucks here to carry heavy loads away. And the backhoe loader works hard every day. With the roller flattening, smoothing out the street, our construction crew makes it all complete. Digging, lifting, hauling too. Working together, that's what we do. Bulldozers, cranes and loaders fight. Building a world from morning to night. So join the construction crew, let's get to work. With all these machines, there's no job we should. Building up the city, making dreams come true. The construction crew is here.
Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.